So this is about MET PIR, how to get it, sort of like your rules of what you need to follow and look for. So I'm going to take you through the process and I'm going to talk it out as to what you need to pay attention to. So if I can ask you, please, Stefan, to lift your legs straight up in the air and back down, please. Now, right off the bat, if you note, I'm actually touching them the whole time. I'm not helping him, but it gives me a sense of what's going on. Do that again, because as soon as he gets to about there, I can feel him start to shake. He starts to bend his leg, so I'm getting a sense of how he does it. And he is really, really tight in the back line. So that's going to give me an idea of when he starts to kick in and resist that movement. Now, I'm going to explain to my client that this time I'm going to do it, so I just want you to relax and let your leg, that's it, remain heavy. Okay, so I'm going to take it, and I know just from that previous contact that it's not going to be very high that I'm going to get, that I'm going to feel that initial barrier. So here we go, I'm just taking it, and to be quite honest,